Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this amazing 55 inches cabinet, barn door cabinet. My cat is here that this brand sent to me for the video. As you can see, it has kind of like a farmhouse style, so I think it's really nice, but also a little bit of a modern style as well. I'm going to show everything to you in a close-up in a few seconds, but first of all, let's talk about one thing: the assemble. Everything is explained here, but you are going to have to spare, I want to say, 90 minutes, at least 90 minutes. Actually, not at least. I think 90 minutes tops with power tools to actually assemble this whole unit. Use power tools. That's my advice, because again, it's not hard. Everything is explained right here in the instruction manual, step by step, but you're going to have to spare some time. If you have help, it's going to be much better. I did it with my wife, and it took us about an hour and 10 minutes, an hour and 15 minutes, step by step. So put everything in the floor, put every piece separated, just use a blanket or a rug and everything just to avoid scratching, and then spare about like 60 to 90 minutes if you have help. Then it's not gonna be hard at all, I promise. Also, this right here, I'm gonna show everything to you in a close-up in a few seconds, but I do wanna show you this right here. It comes with, let me see if I can actually, yeah, this is with the remote controller. You can change the colors of the light, super good. And what is my cat doing here? Super nice and easy with the remote controller. But if not, you actually have an app. You can actually put it in your app in your phone and do it with your phone instead of the remote controller. But I think that having the remote controller is super good. It's connected to a USB-A cable, so you can actually connect it to the wall. And talking about the wall, this right here, it comes with everything you need in case that you want to kind of like mount it to the wall. Just to, I mean, this is super heavy. It's really firm, it is really heavy, but if you want to mount it to the wall, you can actually do it as well. Let me actually show it to you in a close-up right now. So I wanted to show the lights a little bit better with the remote controller and with the lights off right here. So I think that this one is kind of like the best one, but this one comes with a timer. You can actually dim the lights, you can change the colors, you can put a timer in it, and you can also have a music mode. Let me actually see if it's gonna pick up my voice. Right here, you can see that it picks up my voice, so that's actually pretty good with the music mode. But I believe that this one is the best one. By the way, right here comes with cup holders. Right here, the wine glasses, you're gonna see that it comes with 3 metal pieces, so you can actually have a lot of wine glasses over here, right here, and right there, with the metal frame to slide the wine glasses over here. Another really good thing about this one is that it comes with sliding doors. So you're gonna see the sliding doors over here. It seems that my cat wants to go inside. But talking about the farmhouse sliding doors, this right here are shelves that you can change the position to here, or here. So that's really good in case that you want to put kitchen stuff or silverware or things like that. But the sliding doors are super easy to use. Goes that way, but also goes this way and presents another sets of shelves for you to change the height if you need, with this really nice metal frame over here, the rail for the sliding doors. And in the middle, you're gonna reveal a shelf right here, which this one is actually backwards. So I need to actually fix this because this is not how it looks. It goes backwards the other way. Same as this one over here, it goes backwards. These are not gonna be shown right here. So that's another thing for you to do, and to know that this is not how it's gonna look and this is not how it's gonna look. But then, actually, come on, Minnie, let me do this. You're gonna have space for 9 bottles over here, so that is a really good thing. And as you can see over here, this is for regular wine bottles, not the big ones, because then, yeah, you can see what happens. But for regular ones, you have 8 spaces over here. You can remove this whole unit if you don't want to, but I think that is super good to have a space for the bottles over here, for sure, with this really nice farmhouse sliding doors. It is 55 inches wide by 44 inches tall, as you're gonna see over here. And it comes with the first shelf over there, the wooden one, and then a top one with the shelves over there for the wine glasses, as I told you before. And last but not least, this unit is really heavy, but it comes with actually some toppers right there on the legs, so you can actually move it super easy in case that you have put it in some other place. You can actually move it super easy without any help, just judging by how heavy it is. I don't know what's happening with my cat today, but then I'm gonna just show you this one more time. Super nice sliding farmhouse door, farmhouse look, 55 inches with the remote controller for the lights. Like, you can actually put it in music mode in case that you wanna put this one in your bar or something like that. The wine glasses holders, and the 2 shelves. This unit, it's a really good one for as a home decoration for your bar, your kitchen, your living room, your office, your basement, whatever you want to do, just name it. I like it. I do recommend it with a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.